Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a logo in MidJourney. You guys must have been dabbling, must have been trying to get how to do logos in MidJourney. So I'm going to show you a easy way. First of all, you have to choose your logo type. Example, a coffee shop. So the prompt in MidJourney would be, first imagine logo for a coffee shop, cup of coffee and beans. These things are the things that you want to be in the prompt, such as the type of design or icons. So you have coffee shop, then you have cup of coffee. This is it, and beans. You got beans all around. I choose vibrant for the color scheme, modern design, 2D minimal. So okay, this is if you don't want a color background, you have to add white background. So it's the same prompt, but you put white background. So this is the difference between without white background and with white background. So the iterations of the logo will be having a white background rather than the main picture has a white background, and also the logo itself has a white background against the black insert. So after you got the picture that you like, so today we're gonna take this one, a simple logo. So this simple logo, the next step will be choose image. So we chose this one. First of all, MidJourney will not put text in, so you got to do that yourself. So the next step will be fix an image in Lightroom. So I choose Lightroom. This is the thing that will be in after post processing in Lightroom. So I just healed it out of the picture, and after that you have to put your text. So I'll first show you how to put it in Lightroom. So look at the video after this. Okay, now we're in Lightroom. So first you gotta go to the healing section and choose remove, and your brush size, and just highlight the stuff that you want to remove. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, more or less it's doing a good job. We just have to do multiple runs. So remove the specks of artifacts, and you're done. So your logo has no more text. Then you can put your text inside, and now you just gotta put the new text in. So you can use Illustrator, you can use Affinity Designer, you can use Photoshop, but I'm gonna use Canva, an online service that'll be quite easy. So I'm just gonna export this and export, and done. Okay, once you guys got it done, then you gotta add your text. So I'm gonna use Canva. You can use Lightroom. You can use whatever. So we're gonna take. Oh, this is coffee, please. That's nice. So coffee, please. So how do you say? Give me a name. Give me a name. Let's say Bean Cafe. Bean Cafe. So sorry. Okay, you got the Bean Cafe. Then text box established 2023. Then boom, finished. You can enlarge it. So this is your logo. Easy. So first of all, this was the original picture. This was the original picture, and now we done it, and done. You can save it as a logo, you can save it as a template, but it's easy. So I think that took just 3 minutes. So if you need an idea prompt or whatever, you can just message in the the comments, and don't forget to put a like if you like this video, subscribe, so that I'll be doing more MidJourney stuff. So thanks. So And that's how to make a logo in MidJourney. Thanks.